What's up, YouTube? Crypto Clay back with another video today, and we're going to be discussing the market, where it's at right now, where I think it's going, and we're going to be discussing a couple of other things. So just sit tight and let the good times roll. Or in some of your cases, hopefully you're not losing your butts right now on the crypto market, but hopefully you can make some good out of this and make a little bit of money based on some recommendations that I might have. So just sit tight and let's get this thing going. All right. So the first thing that I want to talk about today is going to be Bitcoin and the entire market as a whole. So let's go to CoinMarketCap. Currently, our market cap is sitting at about $502 billion. Now, for those of you that have been watching the market recently, we reached about $630 billion. And once we hit that point, that's whenever the market decided to start its correction. Now, I say correction and not crash because this happens every single time Bitcoin hits a new all-time high. There is a correction that ensues, and so I have no worry that Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market is going to be just fine. In fact, around this time last year is whenever the market started taking off, beginning January 1st. So this could be a really good thing. Usually, whenever Bitcoin does correct like this, it always returns with more gains, and so I'm looking forward to seeing what actually occurs with Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and take a look at the market now. This is GDAX right here that we're taking a look at, and I drew some support lines. So right here at about 13.5 is a major support line that we actually broke over the past 24 hours. And because of that, I think that we could be seeing lower lows than what we're seeing right now. So if you are still waiting on the sidelines, I might continue to do so and see what happens. If you want to buy back in now, that's also fine because, again, like I said earlier, I think the market is just going to go up further than what we saw before. Now, anything can happen. We're still in the Wild West with this market, so be very careful with your investments. Remember that anything that I'm saying right now is not financial advice, so please do not take it that way. This is just my personal opinion of what's happening, and I'm showing you some of the trades that I've made over the past 24 hours. So, again, like I was saying, I think that Bitcoin is going to continue to go down a little bit before it goes back up. And again, nothing to be worried about. I think that this correction is a good thing. It's very healthy for the market. You don't want a market that just continues to go up and up because that signifies a bubble. And a lot of people have been speculating that this is a bubble, it's going to burst. And some people are like saying the bubble is bursting right now, but people that have been following the cryptocurrency market for a while know that that's not the case right now. This is just a correction that happens anytime Bitcoin hits a new all-time high. So please do not be worried about that. This right here just signifies some of the things that I've been saying for the past couple of days. So let's move on. Now, because of the market in the state that it's in, you have a lot of opportunities to make some excellent swing trades. This right here is a chart of Ethereum over the past few days, and as you can see, there have been plenty of swing opportunities. So take a look at this chart and realize that the opportunities are out there and they present themselves, and if you know what to look for, you can make some excellent trades on this. So speaking of which, I'm going to show you some of the trades that I have personally made. So one of the trades that I have been making over the past day is with Verge. Take a look at this chart and see that the swings have just been insane. Verge is still doing what I think it's going to continue doing while the market is so volatile, and that is it's up right now, which presents a good sell opportunity, but I think it's going to continue going down as Bitcoin goes down. The more Bitcoin bleeds, the more everything else bleeds, so keep that in mind. If you're going to buy into altcoins right now, make sure you're doing it at a low and not at a high. However, that being said, anything right now I think is going to be a good buy, but you want to maximize profits as much as possible. So buying at one of these spikes right here might not be the best idea. So just keep that in mind moving forward. Another one that I traded was actually Litecoin. So I bought in down here and I traded somewhere up here, and I was really happy with that trade that I made. So the opportunities are out there right now, guys, and you can make a decent profit off of these swings. Another one that I made was OMG. I bought down here somewhere, and I just sold a few minutes ago. So it's definitely possible to do these things, and I highly encourage you, if you're comfortable swing trading, to go out and give it a shot. Now, if you're brand new to swing trading, do not put more money in than you're willing to lose, because it will happen. You will make mistakes. I guarantee it. I still make mistakes all of the time, and I consider myself to be a decent trader. I'm not great. I'm not an expert. I don't claim to be, but I think that I do a very decent job of attaining profits every day. Now, that being said, I want you guys to know that you can't win every single trade, and so don't get disheartened whenever a trade goes south on you. Now, you can always set up stop limits so that you don't lose too much, but again, don't be disheartened whenever you do lose on a trade, because it happens with every single trader. As long as you're making 3 out of 5 good trades, you are in profit and you're doing a good job. So please keep that in mind. All right, moving on. The next thing that I wanted to talk about was actually Brave Browser. The Brave Browser is a brand new project that just started this year, I believe. It was created by the creators of Mozilla Firefox. And for any of you that have used that browser before, you probably know that it's a good browser. And they have done an excellent job with this project in creating the basic attention token. Essentially what it is a token that allows you to pay your favorite content creators in digital currency so that they get monetization for the work that they do, but also in exchange, you don't have to see any advertisements. So imagine like YouTube Red, but better for content creators. So you can actually go in to your preferences and set up your to include who you want to give your money to in basic attention tokens on your preference sheet. So you could go in and unclick all of these, or you could click everything and spread your wealth. But essentially, you can buy as much as you want or as little as you want, and maybe support content creators that you love in a very small way. It doesn't have to be a significant amount of money that you're giving to them each month, but essentially what it does is it breaks it down into percentages. So let's say you want to spend $5 a month on this, and you say you want to give like 90% of your time to one specific content creator. Well, that content creator is going to receive 90% of the funds that you have in your wallet for that month designated to dish out. And essentially, you're monetizing their content for them, and they receive those funds directly to their Brave wallet, which I think is an incredible idea. I also love the fact that they cut out all of the ads for you if you choose so, because you can use this platform and still watch all of the ads if you want to. They give you that option. This is an incredible, incredible platform. I've been playing around with it for the past few weeks. I didn't want to make a video about it without knowing exactly what it was that I was doing and how to actually use it all, but it is very simple. So you can go and download the Brave web browser and start by just entering your email address on this page right here. And in your first month, they actually give you basic attention tokens to dish out to your favorite content creators. So anything that you watch on the Brave browser goes towards your favorite content creators. They're giving you a free month of basic attention tokens. So if I were you and you want to help support your favorite content creators, go and download this Brave web browser, get your free BAT tokens, and start watching your favorite content creators on this web browser. And then at the end of the month, if you don't want to purchase any more, you don't have to, but you can. And you can use this browser for any of your browsing needs and help support the people that you love the most as far as content creation goes. So it's a really, really awesome platform, and I really love what they're trying to promote here. This is one of those cryptocurrencies that actually serves a real-world purpose. You know, people that are content creators like myself, or very large content creators that get demonetized on YouTube, suffer tremendously. I had a video that I created yesterday that has over 2,000 views that got demonetized, so I won't make a penny off of that video. And for those of you that have ever tried making a video and putting it on YouTube, you know just how much work goes into creating content for people. So this is an outlet for people to use to get past that. You know, YouTube and their bot that is currently demonetizing everything is a real problem. But now we have outlets to go to actually, you know, move past this and actually continue making money on content creation. So I'm really proud of what these guys are trying to accomplish, and I hope that more people start using this web browser because it serves a really great purpose. Okay, so the last thing that I would like to say is thank you to everybody that has signed up on Hashflare using my referral link in the description. I really, really appreciate all of you. You have no idea how much it means to me to know that you guys are there supporting me each and every day. It means so much to know that I have people that are willing to support me in any type of way. Now, obviously, this is supporting me monetarily to continue doing what I'm doing, and so I will continue doing this, and I will continue putting out content as long as there is a need for it out there. So thank you guys so much for all of the referral links that you guys are using on a daily basis. Thank you to whoever it was that sent me the ERC 20 tokens on the Ethereum blockchain the other day. I completely spaced out yesterday and forgot to thank whoever that was. So thank you to whoever that was that did that. Yesterday, I received a lot of comments on YouTube, and I tried to answer all of them. I don't know if I got to all of them. Please do not get upset if I didn't get to you. It's only because I didn't see it. There were literally so many comments that I received on yesterday's video that it was very hard to keep up with all of them. But I will continue to try and get to every single question out there, and I will do my best to answer all of them in a timely fashion for you guys, because I know that time is of the essence when it comes to some of these questions. But that is going to be it for today, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. I always appreciate any comments that are out there. That's going to be it for today, though. Crypto Clay out.